Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Hello, welcome. My name is Megan. I make videos and sometimes they're good. Today's video is just a quick life update and also a reminder that my giveaway ends in a few days. It's going to end here, I believe, on Saturday. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can be entered to win a Sephora gift card or an Amazon gift card. Before I ramble any further, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell, and let's get right into this life update. Okay, you guys, so currently it is May 15th and I am leaving in 3 weeks. So if you haven't been watching my channel, you may not know that I am currently living in London for a study abroad experience, and it's over in 3 weeks. So I moved here in January and I got to spend about 5 months here, and I'm so excited that I did. I'm very happy that I actually went through with it and did the full program. But yeah, I'm leaving in 3 weeks. I have a big couple weeks coming up ahead of me. This weekend I'm going to IMATS, which you guys will see in my Sunday vlog, so make sure you have the notification bell on to be notified when that goes up. This is going to be my first time at IMATS. I've always wanted to go. If you don't know what IMATS is, it is the International Makeup Artist Trade Show, and a lot of brands go, and they have a lot of big discounts on makeup, as well as a bunch of live tutorials on how to apply prosthetics, body painting, really cool makeup effects, things like that are going to be happening as well. So I'm so excited to go and get to experience that. So that's something to look forward to this weekend. Then on Tuesday I'm going to Scotland. I'm only going to be spending a night there, and then on Wednesday I'll come home back to London, and then bright and early on Thursday morning I'm going to be heading off to Germany to see one of my really good friends and stay with her for a few days. So that'll be very exciting to do. And then once I'm back from Germany, I have about a week and a half left in London, and then I am going home. I think it's just a bit crazy that I'm already at the point where I'm so close to going home, and it's just like it seems like I've been here for a long time, like I've been here forever, but at the same time it seems like it went really fast, if that makes any sense at all. I am very grateful for my experience, and I am grateful for the friends that I made here. I've made a lot of friends in my study abroad program, as well as friends who live in London and who go to the school that I go to here, and I'm gonna miss them so much. Yeah, I don't even want to think about having to say goodbye to them. But yeah, I've made a lot of really good friends here, and I'm so happy that I got the chance to meet them and that they're now in my life. So shout out to all of them. If you are watching this, hello. You know who you are. One thing that was really crazy to me with my time in London was that I didn't get homesick until after my mom left. Which was back in April, and that was a very short homesickness, and then I kind of leveled out again. But it's now at the point where I actually really am excited to go home. I'm excited to be with my family all the time again. I'm excited to set up my new room and do all these different things and be with my friends again. I miss them so much, but it's only a few weeks away now, so 3 weeks until I am with my family again, and then 4 weeks until I am back with my friends in my hometown, where I will go job hunting again. So that's gonna be a fun thing. So I am very grateful to those of you who have supported me on this study abroad trip, and those of you who thought I could do it when I didn't think I could do it. I'm very grateful for you. I am just excited to see how these last 3 weeks go and get back with my family and see my dog. Oh, I miss my dog so bad. Like that's one thing that really sucks about being gone for so long, is you don't get to see your dog. I mean, yeah, you don't get to see your family, but you especially don't get to see your dog. Like, you can FaceTime your family, but you can't really FaceTime your dog. At least I can't FaceTime my dog because he's scared of phones. This video was really short and I just wanted to do a little update for you guys on where I'm at, how much longer I'm going to be here. Also, make sure you keep your eye out for next week's Wednesday video. We're going to be doing a IMATS haul. I'm going to show you all the makeup that I got at IMATS. And yeah, so some really exciting vlogs coming up, some exciting hauls, so make sure you stick around. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in Sunday's vlog. Bye guys.